Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. We have a good atmosphere today. And we will have passive voice as the topic of our discussion. Jadi hari ini kita akan membahas passive voice. Okay, let's start. Actually, this is the explanation about active versus passive. So in grammar presentation, we have a passive sentence and active sentence actually have similar meanings, but the focus of the sentences is different. In the passive sentences, the focus is on the action or on the person or thing receiving the action. Jadi, dalam mempelajari passive voice dan active sentences, passive dan active sentence, atau kalimat pasif dan kalimat aktif, sebenarnya artinya sama, tetapi yang berbeda adalah fokus atau subjeknya ya. Di sini kalau aktif, subjeknya tetap subjek, kalau pasif, objeknya yang dijadikan subjek. Okay, let's see atau let's look at the example. The first example is the president asks the employees to speak English. This is active sentence. And then the second example, the employees are asked to speak English. This is passive karena yang menjadi subjeknya adalah employees. So the employees are asked to speak English. Kemudian ada beberapa bentuk ya. The first is present and past forms of the passive. Look at the point A. For the simple present form of the passive, use the present form of be plus the past participle of the main verb. So the example are, some international companies ask their employees to learn English. This is active. Kemudian, we change into passive voice. So, employees are asked to learn English by some international companies. Kemudian, point B. For the present perfect form of the passive, we use has or have plus been plus the past participle of the main verb or verb 3. The example, there are two examples, active and passive. So in active sentence, the company has told the employees to speak English. Kemudian we change into passive, the employees have been told to speak English. Kemudian point C, for the present progressive form of the passive, use the present form of be plus being plus the past participle of the main verb atau verb 3. For example, these days, people around the world are speaking many dialects of English. This is active sentence, and then we change into passive sentence. These days, many dialects of English are being spoken by people around the world. Jadi, rumusnya kita pakai to be ya. Di sini many dialects plural subject maka menjadi are being spoken. Kemudian selanjutnya point D, for the simple past form of the passive, use the past form of be. For example, was or were plus the past participle of the main verb or verb 3. And this form is the most common, paling banyak dipakai ya. For example, the manager asked his employees to join a workshop last month. This is active. Kemudian we change into passive voice. Employees were asked to join a workshop by the manager. This is passive voice. So, the focus is different ya. Kalau yang aktif tadi manager, the manager is the subject. And then in the passive voice, employees. The object become the subject. Jadi kita merubah formulanya menjadi employees were asked karena dalam active sentence atau kalimat aktifnya we use past tense, maka passive voice-nya juga past tense ya, pakai were. Seperti itu. Kemudian poin E atau E, for the past progressive form of the passive, use the past form of be plus being plus the past participle of the main verb. And this form is rare, jarang dipakai ya. Yang paling sering dipakai adalah passive voice dalam, the simple past form of the passive. For example, 10 years ago, fewer people were using English online. This is active sentence. Kemudian, 10 years ago, English was being used by fewer people online. Jadi, past progressive tinggal menambahkan to be plus being. Oke, next. Selain tenses, kita menggunakan passive voice dalam verb and object ya. Verb and object with passive. Yang perlu kita ketahui di sini verb terdiri dari dua tipe atau dua macam. Yang pertama transitive verbs and intransitive verbs. So transitive verbs are verbs that take an object and they can occur in passive. For example, in active sentence ya, someone saw her at the conference. This is transitive. And then passive voice-nya, she was seen at the conference. Kemudian point B, some common transitive verbs that occur in the passive are call, concern, do, expect, find, give, know, laugh, lose, make, put, see, take, and use. Jadi transitive verb adalah kata kerja yang memerlukan objek. Kemudian point C, born is the past participle of beer. For example, I was born in 1999 in Jakarta. Jadi pada umumnya kita mengatakan I was born ya, saya dilahirkan in 1999. Jadi born atau beer itu tidak walaupun transitive verbs tapi menjelaskan ya bahwa saya dilahirkan seperti itu. Kemudian intransitive verbs are verbs that do not take an object and they cannot occur in the passive. For example, in active sentence, I fell asleep. This is intransitive. Passivnya tidak ada karena tidak ada objek. So, there are some common intransitive verbs in point B which have no passive form. Jadi tidak memerlukan passive. For example, atau there are some verbs that include such as appear, arrive, come, die, fall, go, happen, live, look, occur or happen ya, sit, smile, stay, wait, and walk. Okay, look at the example. When did your symptom appear? Itu contohnya. Kemudian the second example, globalization of some languages happens over time. Jadi happen and appear itu tidak memerlukan objek atau we call it as intransitive verbs. Oke, kemudian ada lagi the passive with be, going to, and modals. Point A, for the passive with be, going to, use be, going to plus be plus the past participle of the main verb atau verb 3. Not comes before be, going to in the negative form. So, formulanya subject plus to be is MR plus going to plus be plus verb 3 plus object or adverb. Look at the example. Only natural foods are going to be served in our home. Kemudian, the second example, the food is not going to be eaten immediately. Jadi, itu contoh pasif with be going to. Kemudian, the next example, is more GM food going to be grown in the future? Nah, itu yang ketiga, contoh ketiga. Kemudian, point B, for the passive with modals, use a modal plus be plus the past participle of the main verb, not follows the modal in the negative form. For example, people could be harmed by GM food. Kemudian, people must be informed. Jadi tinggal menambahkan be ya, must be, could be. Kemudian, food it should not be eaten if it is not fresh. Kemudian, will question about GM food be answered by scientists? Mungkin ya, seperti itu. Jadi tinggal menambahkan be. Okay, let's see the exercise in passive voice. For number 1, kira-kira jawabannya apa? So, most of the northern Santa ya, atau Saint Vincent Coast, bla bla bla, by mangroves.
Bordered.
Yes, jawabannya is. Kira-kira apa? Is bordered ya, pakai is ya. Oke, number 2. The Wills Creek Conservation Park, blah, 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 at Mangrove Point on the northwestern shores of GSV and extends from Port Clinton south to the town of Bryce. What do you think?
Is situated.
Yes, that's good. So, is situated yeah, at Mangrove Point. Okay, number 3, in interpretation of successive short-term responses to change in the local environment, blah, 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 by chronological change in the relative frequencies of mollusca taxa.
Might be supported.
Yeah, that's good. So, might be supported ya. Kemudian number 4, similar patterns would expect blah, blah, blah in assessing variability in the exploitation of those habitats.
Would be expected.
Yes, would be expected. That's good. And then number 5, climatic and environmental factors. Therefore, in exploring possible reasons for the observed temporal changes in the catchment's archaeological record, the answer is there are some factors, ya, climatic and environmental factors. So, the answer is are. Ya, bisa are, bisa were ya. Are examined. How about number 6? Found at the depths of between 200 and 1,000 meters, dead zones, blah, 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 partly by seawater circulation and partly by the decomposition of organic matter, namely deceased sea creatures that sink from surface waters. The answer
caused.
Yes. Karena zone-nya plural, maka dead zones are caused ya. Next, number 7. Since deep sea dead zones, blah blah blah, from the ocean surface where the water borrows oxygen from the atmosphere, they can only reload with oxygen if currents make a long distance delivery.
Are insulated.
Ya, were insulated ya, atau pakai are ya, are insulated karena di sini semuanya pakai simple present ya, porous and then can only currents ya. So since deep sea dead zones are insulated from the ocean surface, and so on, yeah. And then number 8, in oligotrophic oceanic regions such as the Sargasso Sea or the South Pacific Gyre, phytoplankton, blah, 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 by the small sized cell called phytoplankton. Berarti
Is dominated.
is dominated by. Okay, that's good. And then number 9, in 1950, phytoplankton concentration in surface water, blah, 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 to have decreased by about 40% possibly in response to ocean warming.
Was reported.
Was ya, karena in 1950, jadi past tense ya. So phytoplankton concentration in surface waters was reported ya. Kemudian number 10, mollusca procurement strategies generally blah 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 by the focus on any previously available resource with the subsequent addition of secondary less abundant resources. Ada strategies berarti pakai are ya. Generally are characterized ya. Okay, let's see the answer. Ini sudah ada jawabannya ya. So number 1, most of the northern Gulf St. Vincent coast is bordered by mangroves. Number 2, also the Wills Creek Conservation Park is situated at Mangrove Point on the northwestern shores of GSV and extends from Port Clinton south to the town of Bryce. Number 3, in interpretation of successive short-term responses to changes in the local environment might be supported ya, by chronological change in the relative frequencies of mollusca taxa. Kemudian number 4, bisa might be atau might be ya. Kemudian number 4, similar patterns would be expected in assessing variability in the exploitation of those habitats. And then number 5, climatic and environmental factors are examined. Therefore, in exploring possible reasons for the observed temporal changes in the catchments of archaeological record. And number 6, found at depths of between 200 and 1,000 meters, that zones were caused partly by seawater circulation and partly by the decomposition of organic matter, namely decided sea critters that sink from surface water. And then number 7, since deep sea and dead zones are insulated from the ocean surface, where the water borrows oxygen from the atmosphere, they can only reload with oxygen if currents make a long-distance delivery. Number 8, in oligotrophic oceanic regions such as the Sargasso Sea or the South Pacific Gyre, phytoplankton is dominated by the small-sized cell called phytoplankton. And number 9, in 1950, phytoplankton concentrations in surface waters were reported to have decreased by about 40%, possibly in response to ocean warming. And the last number 10, mollusca procurement strategies are generally characterized by the focus on any previously available resource with the subsequent addition of secondary less abundant resources. Okay, now let's practice the following dialogue. Yes. Aisyah and Anastasia ya. Aisyah become A. I'm sorry.
Now or
Now, yeah. Right now. Silakan.
did you hear the news that Mr. Mark was angry with Jack?
Yes, I did. It was caused by a ball, was not it?
Yes, it was. That ball was kicked. and broke some glasses at the office.
I saw his face. He was a dead fish at the office.
Yeah, you are right. He has been punished for 2 days.
Let's check him at his house after school.
Okay.
Ya, jadi ini can you identify the passive voice di sini? It was caused ya. Kemudian was kicked ya. So that ball was kicked. Kemudian he was a dead fish ini ketakutan ya, seperti pucet ya, karena will be punished ya. He has been punished ini termasuk he has been punished for 2 days. Jadi ini juga passive voice. Oke, next dialog 2. Ya, silakan.
Do you see Jessica?
She was picked up by her brother.
What's going on?
I'm not sure.
Did she say something to you?
Yes, she did. This notepad was given to you.
Did she give you some money?
I'm sorry, the money was bought some ice cream.
Oh no.
Ya, ini do you know the story? Jadi Jessica ini ya was pick up ya. Ini termasuk passive voice by her brother, dijemput ya. What's going on? I'm not sure. Then did she say something to you? Yes, she did. Ini yang termasuk passive voice. This notepad ya was given to you. Kemudian did she give you some money? I'm sorry. The money was bought some ice cream. Ya, the money was bought. Karena money ini uncountable, tidak bisa dihitung, maka kita pakai was. Ya. Oke, now dialog 3.
Please lend me a novel.
I'm sorry, the novel is being read by my sister.
Do you have another novel?
No, I don't have any novel, but my sister has.
So what is your favorite book?
I love comic. It is read every night before sleep.
May I see your comics?
Yes, sure, here you are. But Conan is being read by my brother.
No problem. Where did you buy these comics?
Those were bought in Gramedia.
Does your sister like a novel so much?
Yes, she does. Novels are collected by her. A novel is always bought in a month.
She is a novelholic.
Yeah, but do you want to go with me to the bookstore? I want to buy English book.
Why not? Let's go.
Ya, oke. So, dialog 3 ini yang termasuk passive voice yang mana? The novel is being read ya. Bukan read. Kalau read itu verb 1. Kalau verb 3-nya read ya. Sama seperti kalau pronunciation-nya merah ya, read ya. So, the novel is being read by my sister. Kemudian mana lagi yang passive voice?
Conan is being
Read ya. Oke, Conan, detektif Conan itu maksudnya ya. Conan is being read. Atau mungkin nggak tahu ya kalau ada judul Conan yang lain ya. So Conan is being read by my brother, and then what else? Those ya. Those itu refers to those apa itu kira-kira? Those
the balls.
Comics ya, bukan novels. Kan ditanya, where did you buy these comics? Maka jawabannya those. Those itu refers to comic ya. Those were bought ya. Dibeli ya. Sudah lama, jadi kita pakai were. Those itu maksudnya those comics were bought in Gramedia. And then, mana lagi? Novels are?
Collected by her.
Ya, so novels are collected by her. Ini juga termasuk passive voice. And then, sudah ya, tidak ada lagi ya. Oke, jadi penggunaan passive voice dalam dialog atau conversation. So, this is the references that you can check nanti. And I think that's all for today. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Don't forget to enjoy our life and practice more. And don't forget to give like, share, and subscribe my channel. And see you next meeting. Goodbye.